Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us by the number provided on the channel. So this is again Hammersmith's bridge that we are covering. So the next route here is Wilton Place to British Grove. So let's get into this. So you can see green point to red point just to show you here, and then we can just zoom in. So we're traveling from green point to this red point here. Let's zoom in here. So this is our starting point here. So just click on this point, come here and stay on the left side and just keep going straight. So we can come from here. If you look at the, let's go back just to see where our red point is. This is our red point, so that means we can come down here rather than going straight. We can come here towards this side. So stay here, stay on this side, and then from here we can go this way, and then we can go here. So let's see once again, just to show you why I have done this way, because our point again is here, so we can come through this road. So this is why I've done this way. I'm not going down here. So let's zoom in here. So come here, straight from here. Just don't touch these side lines. Straight from here. So keep going straight from here. Straight from here. Straight from here. So there is nothing special here, just going straight, just avoiding these side lines that we have here. Now the point that we need to talk about is here, because we've got a flyover here. So and then we have two kind of roads here. One is to take the flyover and one is to stay down. So let's see where our point is again. So point is here, so that means it's better for me to take the flyover rather than if I stay down, because then the roundabout will come here. So I'll be taking the flyover from here. So just click here, so just take the flyover, keep going straight. So come down from this flyover, keep going straight, and then again straight here, straight here, and our point is just inside here. So we need to come here, staying on the left side, again here, and then turn this way, and then just click on this red point. So this is the route that we've taken, and it's most direct route. That's what you can see from here, right? So you could have thought about some other routes from here maybe, but this is the most direct and straight route that you see here. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.